The other thought that I have about the ARC Forum is that this year we have had, it's almost a rebirth where we have seen far more diverse people here, females, young professionals.
Younger crowd, yeah.
In fact, in our sustainability session, there not only was it an all-female panel, but two of those speakers were early career folks, and to be honest, they offered some incredible content and almost ran away with the Q&A session. I know that our colleague Luke Martin is our de facto leader of our emerging professionals, advancing professionals effort. And if there are any young professionals listening to this, I would urge you to reach out to him, and he can provide you the details about the mentoring program and about some of the other initiatives that they are spearheading.